Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kaurpaints. Today I'm going to draw this quick portrait using oil paints, starting with some points where I want to draw features of face. I'm doing skin color, which is a mix up of orange and white color. I'm also using touches of red, orange, yellow and white color over there. Drawing darker tones using burnt sienna and green color to show highlights. It helped me to show shadows. To highlight all the facial features, I'm going to use burnt sienna and green color. Merge all colors well. So I'm taking burnt sienna color and going to define all facial features like cheekbones, eyes. Blending all well. Drawing eyebrows and eyes. On lips I'm using crimson and sienna color and using white color for highlights. She's looking pretty well. I'm adding more colors to her face to make it more realistic. Her face is looking more graceful now. Drawing her hairs using burnt sienna and black color. After drawing basic hairs, I'm gonna use white color and sienna color to add highlights. So drawing her dupatta. I want her in Indian dress up, so I'm drawing dupatta and some suit kind of stuff. I like to draw multicolor dupatta, so I'm going to use all these colors in dupatta, like this color orange, green, red, yellow. It's looking pretty cool. Drawing her arm. She's wearing little earring. So defining her face. I think I have to work on her eyes. After completing this, I'm working on. Have to add highlights. So defining face, working on eyes. Last step, drawing background using red and black color. This is almost ready. I need to sign. So removing tapes, this piece is ready. Have a close look. Hope you like the painting. Please try this and give me feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Thank you so much.